Then we're going to install WordPress website using OceanWP template. And when you want to install WordPress, you need two things: a domain name and a hosting. So I recommend Bluehost or Bluehost. I'll put the links below so that if you want to register, you use Bluehost or Dreamhost to register. When you register, the hosting provider will give you some credentials. That is your domain name /cpanel on the browser. When you come to this cpanel. So from here, this is you put in your username and your password and click login. Yes, this is the cpanel environment. This is the cpanel environment. This is where you upload files, Jetpack, databases, domain names, emails, metric, security, software, advanced, preferences, themes or templates, and then subtitles, the script. This is where many scripts are being installed. And today we're going to install WordPress. By installing WordPress, that's where we begin everything. If you have not come to my channel before, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell so that you will not lose any time I install new themes. Every week I bring new video like how to make money online, how to create website, and weight loss and health related issues. So now let's get started. You click on WordPress here and brings you to this site on the subtitles. There are a lot of scripts here, but we are going to install WordPress. And click here to install or click here to install. So click on WordPress and then come to choose our website. If it is one website, you see only one domain name. But since I have a lot, so I have to use this one, this domain name. Then you put in your website name in the description of your website. But we will do that one later. So here you use the admin. So here I want to use Ocean as my admin username and the password. Password, this is generated by the cpanel, but you can change it. I want to change it, so I want to hide it so that I change my website. So I change my password. Okay, so I finish with my password. Then scroll down here, choose your language. Then you put your email address. That is what you use for admin. But for now, I'm leaving it like this because this is just a demo. Then you come here to click install. Let me update. Congratulations, the software was successfully installed. So this is how it is. So now let's click to see how our website looks like. Yeah, these are front ends of our website. Back to see how our dashboard also looks like. Yes. So this is how the website looks, the back end looks like, and this is the front end of our site, which is very ugly. So we want to install new theme. So from here, as it is, go to this website, websitesgurus.com, and click on OceanWP on the menu. So these are the themes, the prices, but we are not going to use the paid version, so we're going to use the free version. So click here, fill in your credentials and click get it. Then you download. I've already done that, that's why. So now let me come back to my WordPress dashboard to download. So on your WordPress download, come to this side, you see appearance. Click on themes. Click add new. Click upload. Browse. Look for the thing that you downloaded from the website. So you come here to look for it. Okay, so this is it. So we click it and click install. Yes, as you keep on installing, don't forget to click the subscribe button so that you will not miss any video I upload. But every week I bring videos about weight loss, how to make websites, how to make money online. Yes, it's loading. So this is how our website looks like, and we'll change it to have a clean and a better website. Install plugins. So these are the plugins to install. So I click here, work installing, install, and apply. So let's see how our website looks like. Now let's look like. So after refresh, see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. So welcome to WP. You are ready to create an amazing website. You have click website or else run the wizard. This is it. Get started. Select your demo template with all business blog, thoughts, one page e-commerce. So what this is store, this is style, it's a personal website, simple WordPress, simple e-commerce website, layer, packaging, blogger. So let's choose one. Okay, we can preview. Click preview to preview which one we want to. Let's try one also. Let's now coach this blogger. Theme, lawyer, magazine, personal, blog, and then simple e-commerce website. This is store stylish, lingering travel website. Okay, let's return to the building website. What is it? Select and then click install, and it will be installed. So it has been installed. Now this extra has been activated. All these plugins installed now are all what we need. For the version, you can see get this add-on. Get this add-on. It means that these ones are version. So if you want to make it more professional, you buy the plugin. So now we are using the free version. So let's install our free plugins and install now. So now we have installed. So let's import. The import process could take some time. Please be patient. So it is importing. Plugin has imported. So we can upload our logo, retina, put site title, tagline, site icon, primary colors, primary color, main border color, link color. We can do all. So let's continue. We can do all later. Let the extension bundle for free. So this is how our website looks like. You see, what a lovely site. As it is, let's come to our dashboard. If you want to do any design, you come here to the appearance and then click customize. The customize, it brings it to this page. So this is where we're going to customize this page. So if you click this one, you go to see the. If you click this one, you go to see the pay version. So over here, click the site icon, and then this blog here, you can change it. Let's say my coat shop, my coat shop. My coat shop. Then the tagline. Then you save. So that's it. Then click back. Menus. And click here and do something about the menus. This one. This one. The collection, the blog post, sticky footer. That's the down here. This footer. That's this one. Back. Home page. Where you set the home page. So this is how So this is the page. So this is how this one brought us to the end of part 1. I do bring videos every week. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so that you will not miss any video I upload every week. I do bring videos on how to make money online, websites, weight loss, and health related issues. So one more time, thank you for being part of it. See you in the next video. Bye.